I would like to introduce our recent experience with this fantastic product in the project that we implement for the Hellenic Parliament. We install in totally 300 IP devices, and the reason that we select this product is for the technologies that they're offering. First of all, the open architecture, also the offering of a completely redundant cabling and hardware, which is a very big benefit from the end user, which means in case of failure, we have zero downtime. In addition, we develop software, voting and multi-voting software for the Hellenic Parliament, and the Descendants, it was the right device to do that because he offers open architecture and the possibility through Android environment to create your own software and your own applications. Thank you very much.